Let us solve the equation 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power y equal to 42 and x plus y equal to 3. So we want to solve this equation simultaneously. Let us call this one to be equation 1 and this one to be equation 2. By equation 2 we can write x plus y equal to 3. We take x to the right hand side, so y equal to 3 minus x. Substituting y equal to 3 minus x in equation 1 we obtain. So by equation 1, 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power y equal to 42. 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power y. But we want to write y equal to 3 minus x. So instead of y, we write 3 minus x. Rest of the expression as it is, 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power y equal to 42. By law of indices, a to the power m minus n is simply equal to a to the power m by a to the power n. So this equation can be written as 6 to the power x plus 6 cube divided by 6 to the power x equal to 42. You get 6 to the power x in numerator as well as in denominator. Let's write 6 to the power x equal to t. Let 6 to the power x equal to t. That implies this equation can be written as t plus 6 cube is 216 by t equal to 42. Let's multiply equation 3 by t to obtain. So we multiply this expression by t. This one also by t. This one also by t. T into t is t square. This t gets cancelled. Let's take this 42t to the left hand side. So minus 42t plus 216 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. T square minus 42t plus 216 minus 42t is the middle term, and we can solve it simply by splitting the middle term method. Of course, there are many other methods of doing this, but we will do it by splitting the middle term because 6 into 36 is 216 and 36 plus 6 is 42. So we write 42 is 36 plus 6. Rest of the expression we copy as it is. Okay, 216 can also be written as 36 into 6 equal to 0 as it is. Now, let's distribute it. T square minus 36t minus 6t plus 36 into 6 equal to 0. Now, we take t common to obtain t into t minus 36. And here minus 6, if we take common, then we get t minus 36 equal to 0. Now we see that we can take t minus 36 common and we are left out with t minus 36 into t minus 6 equal to 0. However, we are assuming that t equal to 6 to the power x. So we can write this equation as 6 to the power x minus 36 into 6 to the power x minus 6 equal to 0. Of course, if product of two numbers equal to 0, then one of them has to be 0. But we don't know which one is 0. Maybe that 6 to the power x equal to 36. Or maybe that 6 to the power x is just equal to 6. But 36 is 6 squared, so x has to be equal to 2. Or 6 to the power n, 1 equal to 6 to the power x, so x has to be 1. So the only solution is x equal to 2, 1.